All right, I just want to make a quick video here for the group as I was looking at charts and I, noticed Tether. And I went to the monthly chart over here and I drew a quick pattern for you guys that I noticed. I've dumbed down the crypto factor, the factor line here. But essentially, we're seeing a beautiful pattern for Ethereum that may be an opportunity here. First of all, the factor line on the monthly gave us the perfect sell right here, the perfect SFP swing failure pattern, which I'm very fond of. And as you can see, we came all the way down here and we may be forming a higher low. So we have a potential range here if this breaks and trades sideways. Your invalidation is at this candle down here. This is where you would exit completely out of Ethereum, or at least this pattern will be invalidated. But as you can see, this candle here is giving us a good opportunity to take the trade and maybe taking a stop loss underneath. Now, usually the factor line is not used, or at least not right now, for the monthly. But if we go to the weekly here, let's have a look what it shows us. And if you go to the weekly, it pretty much confirms. Look at this beautiful inside range. We formed a range up here, and you can see the range didn't quite get that. Gave us the sell. This is Ethereum to USDT. But look at this beautiful setup here. It confirms this bottom over here, which was our last buy signal, by the way. And it's giving us a very good trade, in my opinion. It's very easy to take the trade right now on Ethereum, even though a volume over here, a volume on the trend stacker with a couple of more things is showing in the red, and we can certainly go back down. This candle here, I think this is a perfect opportunity to take the trade and put a stop loss underneath that candle. It's at 1,400 exactly. That's a nice psychological number. It's at previous buy positions over here. I mean, setting a stop loss to 1,300 or even a little bit lower, maybe to one that's a more long term. But let's go to the daily real quick and see what we can do here. See if we can get any clues. Yeah, I would set a stop loss at 1,148 if you're feeling adventurous, if you don't have a lot of, let's say, leverage, or even right here at 1,230-ish, which was our buy signal for ETH in the past over here. So this is just very quick for the group. I'll share this video maybe in a week or two or a month or whatever I see fit. You wouldn't typically get into Ethereum here. As you can see, we are getting more downside, but because of this bounce over here, and as a matter of fact, it's actually given us a buy signal on the daily. If you had the factor line, it would have told you to buy this bottom. I just noticed this. Again, I just noticed this pattern, but you could definitely come in here and then your potential trade will be up over here to 2,112 if you're trading this, maybe 2,300. But I would just buy and just raise my stop loss as I'm going up over here, if that makes sense. But anyway, this is a longer term play. We can look at intra later on, maybe on calls, or if you have any questions, we can look at it. But I just wanted to put this video out for you guys to see. It's just a good potential trade.